Hello folks, in this video we'll demonstrate how to use an AC current sensor to make AC current measurement. So these are all the things we need for the measurement, and in this case we're using 2 light bulbs as our load. This AC current sensor is designed to take as an input from 0 to 50 milliamps, and it'll give you a 0 to 10 volts output, and you can see it requires 24 volts to power it. So we're gonna see what this little thing is capable of in a bit. And the 2 light bulbs we're using here are required to be connected in parallel before being included into the circuit. And now let's wire the current sensor to the single power supply. The positive pin connects to terminal 12 of the sensor, and terminal 10 connects to the 0 pin of the supply. Now that we've got the wires connected to the power supply, let's join the load to the circuit. First, we're gonna feed a red AC line through the sensor via screw terminals 1 and 3, and the bulbs will draw current that feeds through here. Make sure that the feeding current doesn't go outside the range of the input of the sensor. And we put a circuit breaker in series with the AC supply to control the circuit. There involves a lot of stuff here. If you're confused, don't worry about that. We've got a circuit diagram here for this current sensor, and let's see what's going on here. Basically, here on the left is where you apply the current, and on the right is the output that gives you a voltage proportional to the input current we're going to look at in a bit. And that's about it. Now that our circuit is complete, let's turn on the power supply and take the current in. You can see the lights go on. Then we're going to turn the rotary selector to set the multimeter for the DC 40 volts scale. So what you need to do is to measure the volts output from this sensor, which involves screw terminals 7 and 9. So with our meter on the voltage setting, let's go ahead and connect red probe to terminal 9 and black common probe to terminal 7. And you see that the meter reads 6.06 volts. So how does that work out? Since the sensor is designed to provide a voltage proportional to the current, and the output voltage is going to be something between 0 and 10 volts, so we have our 6.06 volts divided by 10 volts and multiplied by the current rating of this device, which is 50 milliamps, to get the actual current value. That gave us about 30 milliamps. So in summary, this current sensor is really useful if you want to actually look at how much AC current is flowing as you power the load up. And the model we used here is 0 to 50 milliamps. You can find other range options from 10 milliamps up to 10 amps at ATO.com. Visit ATO.com today and explore our extensive selection of AC current sensors and many more interesting and innovative solutions for various electrical projects. So that's pretty much about this instructional video on AC current sensors. Hope you have learned another way of measuring current. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then hit the like button. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new uploaded video. Take care. We'll see you until next time.